children and parents. Bulavanaka to you, namaste, and good morning. First of all, I want to thank Senior Pastor. I think this community is really blessed to have the church here for spiritual uplifting, and blessed to have a manager like him. His simple pastor, a standard pastor, who will come with the coat and tie, do the prayer, collect some money and go. He's a progressive person. He understands the importance of education. For the last so many years, we have been getting complaints from the parents that they can't get a space for their children in kindergarten or primary school at the Tamabua primary school. And we feel sorry for them. We feel pity. But it is our responsibility, our government's responsibility, to ensure that your child gets a space in ECE or primary school or high school or university. It's our responsibility. So this year, about 5 months ago, we decided to visit this area, whole of Tamabua, to see where we can have a ECE, a primary school, and a high school, so that your children can go and attend ECE from your comfort zone. A lot of parents were very disappointed. They couldn't find a place for their children for ECE, for primary, for high school. Today is a very special day for education and for you all, because today we have got 2 institutions being opened. Now we are opening this kindergarten facility, ECE center, so that your children can come here and study. You don't have to worry about anything. Don't bring anything. Bring your child, look after your child, ensure the child has some meal. We will provide all resources here. Don't pay anything. Don't pay a single cent. Don't pay a single cent. No one is supposed to ask you any money. Neither the manager nor the teachers. We will provide everything. We were providing grant. We're paying your tuition. Don't worry. Today, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Bani Marama, open a high school for you up at Tacirua. It's a special day for all the community here in Tamabua, Sakoca, Tacirua, and the neighboring villages. So today, I want to thank you all parents for coming, because this demonstrates that you are taking ownership of your child's education. We all want, our Prime Minister, our government wants every child to be educated. Every child. And we want every child to finish ECE, go to primary, go to secondary, go to technical college or university. And we will pay for them. You don't have to worry. But what we want from you is you mentor your child, look after your child, talk to your, assist them in their homeworks, find out if something is bothering them, talk to them. Every day, spend some time with the child, look after the child. That's the education system we want to have now. The rest we will do. The rest we will do. But we want you to do your part. The education system, the opportunities that we have now in Fiji existed never before. This level of opportunities. What all you need to do is to support your child, motivate them, and bring them to the school. So we are here to support your child and want to assure the Sakoca community here, never ever you will have any problem getting a place for your child in ECE, in primary, in secondary. Last weekend I visited here, I think it was Sunday. Sunday I came here to see if everything is okay. And I asked the manager, give me a piece of land. We want to build a primary school here. We will start progressively. Year 1. This year we want to construct a classroom and ablution block, a separate ECE facility. Year 1, 2, up to year 8. The ball is in his court now. We are ready to fund it progressively. So your children here doesn't have to finding a space at the Tamabua primary, which is already full. It is catering for children Kali. We are expanding the other primary school at Tacirua so that children from that side won't come this side. So you see, we have a lot of plans for your children so that you don't have to worry about where your child will go. And if you have any problem, come and see us. Come and see us. Rakesh there, Salen here. These are the people on the ground, our education officers in the Suva office. If you have any problem, can't find them, call me. I will attend to you. But we will ensure your child gets the education that the child deserves. But please do support. So I want to thank every parent who come here today that demonstrates your commitment to support us in helping your child get the right education, best education. And here today, it's a testimony that we are for you, that we want your child to come every day to school, come support, and then after the school, take the child back home. On behalf of our Prime Minister, Honorable Bani Marama, I want to thank you for supporting us, supporting the government. We will continue to look after your children and educate your children. Thank you. Naka.